back at this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video we have a one mobile phone, but as you can see the screen is broken. There is no display coming up. The brand name is Reeder P13 Blue Max Lite. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, as you can see, this is our back panel, and there are some screws in here. First we need to unscrew that screws. And yes, let's take that metal panel like that. And there is a, as you can see, I think this is the screen connector, and this is the our battery connector. Let's put out. But before put out to display connector, we should remove our battery. Like here. I mean, it was take off so easy. Normally we have to little bit hard to take off the battery normally. And inside as you can see, back area, there are more screws. We have to unscrew them also. Let's continue. Yeah, and as you can see, there is one more connector in here. We should take off also, and right now we can remove our screen from our board actually. Yeah, as you can see, we successfully take off the old screen. We have a brand new screen actually, And I would like to clean that area for old glue, because we are gonna spread into it a new glue actually. Using the isopropyl alcohol. I mean, you can use isopropyl alcohol when you try to fix some electronics components. This not, it's not give any damage like water. You can easily use isopropyl alcohol inside your repair project. Yeah, it's so clean right now. We are gonna put some B7000 glue like here. Yes, I think it should be enough for this pawn. Let's reassemble our glue. And our brand new screen is here. We are gonna plug into it. And let's plug in these connectors. Like that. And yes, let's reconnect to our battery. Yeah, and also reconnect our this stuff in here. I think it's the fingerprint reader. Yeah, and of course we should unscrew everything. Let's put our bottom panel in here, and let's unscrew every screw we take off before. And yes, bottom panel is finished. Let's put that metal panel in here. And there is one screw left. Let's unscrew it. Yeah, and we can close the back panel like that. And let's put back this SIM cards panel also. And yes, let's try to open it using the press button. Here our phone is coming up, it's working. And right now I will do it some tape for our glue actually. A lot of tape in here. Yeah, like that. And as you can see our phone is working very well. And right now it's done actually. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.